It's bringing me my drinks. So today I wasn't even planning on doing like any sort of video, but last night I was lying in bed and someone put up a video of this robot that serves you at this restaurant. So I messaged them and said, can I meet this robot? And they said, yeah, come along. So we're gonna go there. And apparently they don't open till 4 o'clock. I've got to put my car in for a service. So we're gonna take the car for a service, wander around for a couple of hours while that gets done. And I don't even know what's going on with my hair. And then go and see this robot. I'm really psyched. Like, this is awesome. A robot which is a waiter. I'm really excited. So the restaurant's called Jborn, and they said there's 2 different chains. And I said, can I go to this one because it's closer to my house? But then they said, sorry, can I come to Jborn? At a height, robot's still under training. Like, the robot's being trained. It's like it's a human. I'm so excited about this. So we're at the Hyundai garage. We've just dropped the car off to get serviced. But they said it's going to take 2 hours, so we've got 2 hours of just sort of pottering about. I feel like I need to change my sunglasses because these ones just aren't cutting it for me anymore. I think these are the winners. I'll buy these. So we've stopped to get sushi. I don't actually need this one. I'm not the biggest fan of sushi, but you can see the guy preparing it, which is always exciting. Just getting some gin for tonight, and then we're going to pick the car up and we're going to go and see the robot waiter. Right, so we've arrived at the place. It's not quite expected. It's like I was expecting like a really big fancy restaurant to have a robot, but it's just like a street food place. But I'm going to go see the robot. I'm quite excited about it. So we've arrived here at the restaurant and the robot is here. Ella was expecting like R2-D2 or Wall-E. She wasn't expecting like a shelf, like a moving shelf. But it's really cool. It's got like a smile and everything, and it's going to bring the drinks to us in a second. I think they made more of a fuss to get it to us to make so I can do a video for it. But yeah, we just ordered a couple of drinks, and it's like a good like 45 minutes away from my house. Yeah, we've just ordered some. Thank you. So yeah, it's like 45 minutes away from the house, and Ella's turned up to see a moving shelf, but it's still cool. It's the future. What can I say? I needed to be part of it. coming. I don't know if he's coming to us, but he's coming. Here he is. I've got my fingers lost. So the place is called Jborn, like this. Jborn, and I believe that they've got like a few different branches within Johor. I don't know if they've even got around the rest of Malaysia, but yeah, they've got a few different in Johor. So this is one of the ones. They've got two. They've got the robots. They've got this one and another one in a place called Ada Heights, which is probably another 10 minutes away from here. That's what it's really interesting what they do, how they like mapped it out. It's just stickers with like sensors on, so it sort of just goes around the room. It's really cool, really good. Like stuff like this, just so good, so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely. The food looks quite good as well. If we hadn't just eaten, we probably would have eaten as well. But yeah, we're gonna head home now and get the barbecue ready. Now that was a quite successful day. And did you like the robot? The robot was so much fun. Right, so basically I'm just gonna spend the day finishing this edit now. We're gonna crack on and do a little bit of barbecue to finish the day off. Guys, thank you very much for watching. As usual, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all next time.